I like the guys I work with. We're all gearheads, we're all driven the same. The main goal for everyone at Waupaca in maintenance is to keep the plant running, do the best we can for the company. I worked at a cheese factory before this for a little while and knew I wanted to be mechanically driven. There was an opportunity here at Waupaca, so I took a tour. The first thing I seen was the bowl ladle. It's cool coming in here and never seeing it. And I knew that talking to the guys in the maintenance department that this was the place for me. People think that we just pour a few castings, but like here at Plant 1, we're pouring 3,000 different parts. Quality part has to be made when your wife and your kids are driving on the rotors that you're producing at this plant. Waupaca Foundry always is willing to work with you on schooling reimbursement. They reimbursed my schooling for me. They sent me to school fully paid for. They're always willing to let you move up the ladder if you're willing to work for it. It's not just a everyday job, 9 to 5, you go to work, you punch out, you go home. It's a career. They've given me a great life for my wife and kids. They have everything that they could possibly want, and I have a job that I like to come to every day.